So we have the bone. The bone speaks of a tower moment. It says in a relationship, or it could be some sort of connection where there is a sudden breakup or a sudden change within a connection. Is what I'm seeing here. As you can see, this is a tower moment. The first card that came out is a runner. There's a runner energy out here, so it could be in the matters of a relationship, place whatever way it needs to be placed. But I'm showing that there's an energy of someone not being ready. I feel like somebody might not be ready for a commitment, you guys. I think the sudden breakup or sudden changes is that someone is not ready for a connection and they might try to break up. I'm seeing whoever this person is almost like energy of them not having anything to offer. This could also talk about you not getting anything out of it. Maybe if you've possibly been with this person for a while. Twin could be significant. And I'm seeing lies. It looked like there has been a lot of lies that have been told. Let's go ahead and take a look. And greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy. Take what resonate, leave what does not. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. Gratitude for the likes, comments, shares, subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's get into it. Runner energy. What's happening with this runner? Hmm. I feel like this is a type of person that like new connections. Because I'm seeing an energy of renewal, like they're running towards some sort of new beginning, some sort of someone that they have a spark with. Someone is, it's like the beginning of a relationship. You get what I'm saying? Or like the honeymoon phase. Like this person like to be around for the honeymoon phase, and then when things start getting serious, that's when they want to suddenly break up, make changes to the connections, change the way that they feel, things like that. And clarifying this not ready energy, I'm seeing an energy of this person in lack. There's an energy of suffering. Yeah, there's definitely energy of suffering. I'm gonna leave that back out. Take that back out there because it was originally out there. But I'm seeing this could be you guys being left in the past. This person moving on, leave you alone, leave you in this energy of suffering and lack because they're not ready. They got your emotions all wrapped up into them, only for them to focus towards something new. But in the end, I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of fulfillment, some sort of wishes here for you guys. I am still seeing the sun. Clarify this empty-handed. Clarify this empty-handed energy. I'm definitely seeing autumn. It speaks of autumn. This could just simply talk about an energy of you reaping some sort of harvest. You may feel or think that have been left out empty-handed, but that's not. Isn't the end. This will not be the end. I'm definitely seeing energy of this whole situation activating your higher self. Yeah. Clarify the bone. Clarify the bone. All right, clarifying the bone. I'm definitely seeing a new financial beginning. I'm seeing new financial opportunities. Something happening unexpected. I'm definitely seeing an energy of security and stability, and I'm also seeing like there is an energy of conflict. This could energy to be an energy of this person is focusing on something new, and there being an energy of there's an energy of conflict. It look like there may be some sort of disagreement here. This person causes some sort of disagreement. Everything was good in the beginning, then now all of a sudden this person turned toxic. Because I'm seeing the devil energy out here. I'm definitely seeing energy of mental health issues. I'm seeing energy of obsession, secrecy, ego. Look, Seven of Swords energy out here. There's energy of deceit, lies, trickery, cheating, underhanded behavior, and dishonesty. The bone. And I see someone that's like, there's an energy of the Nine of Wands. I'm seeing an ongoing battle. There's an energy of fatigue. But I'm seeing you learning some sort of lesson. I'm just seeing your energy is coming out as the wounded warrior. I'm seeing and you're still persevering. There's energy of persistence, not giving up on possible love. But I'm seeing you learn from the past. The past connection and partnership with the Two of Cups. Okay, clarify the bone. And I'm seeing there's energy of someone watching. There's energy of spying here. Okay. I'm also seeing energy of someone utilizing their logic. I feel like this person was definitely calculating and unconcerned about your feelings or you their feelings. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. But I am seeing a Queen of Pentacles. This is a very nurturing person. This is the energy of someone with common sense, and this person backstabbed them, betrayed them, and thought that they was going to move on and be victorious. And that's what I'm seeing here with the Chariot card. I'm seeing somebody in a lot of regret, remorse, anxiety, having to cope with what has gone on. There's energy of stress and unhappiness and feeling overwhelmed, and you having no place to turn but other than in. I'm seeing you going within, having trusting yourself, having some sort of obtaining some sort of spiritual insight. I'm seeing there's an energy of focusing on emotional stability. You may even utilize divination as well to get you through a situation. And I'm seeing you're a choice here. I'm seeing with the two wands, I'm seeing two paths, two choices, whether you want to come or go. But I'm seeing the choices to sabotage and focus on new. I'm seeing someone that focusing on some sort of breakup or making some choice, making the choice to break up with someone and focus on a new beginning or a new relationship. That's what I'm seeing here. Clarify the bone. Yeah. Yeah, it's like an energy of somebody wanting to be happy. This person was wanting to be happy, regardless of who it hurt. I'm seeing a lot of unexpected. Yeah, see, secretly too. This is someone that's like, oh, I don't want it to be together anymore because I want to focus on me. But whole time they got another relationship or another connection that they're entertaining, and they're focusing on starting a new beginning elsewhere, and thinking that that's going to be cool. Like they're going to be able to get away with that. You get what I'm saying? Trying to build a foundation off of somebody else's hurt, someone else's pain. Anything else regarding the bone? Big changes. I'm seeing a lot of big changes happening for you unexpectedly as well. I'm seeing the tower moment. What's going on, the bone? Anything else regarding the bone? Mm. Ooh, I'm also seeing big changes happening for them as well. As things won't turn to be an up, I'm seeing things work out in your favor because again, your energy is coming out as nurturing, compassionate. I'm seeing an energy of self-love, spirit putting you in this energy of self-love, and I'm seeing that there is some sort of creation out here. This person, as they thinking they start a new beginning, they're actually not only did they cause a tower moment and the connection they had with you, spirit has caused this tower moment where wherever they went. Because I'm definitely seeing energy of someone dealing with unpaid bills, money problems, bad debt, greedy. All right. There's energy of misery. And it's from them biting the hand that fed them, from you being nurturing, caring for them, loving to them, versus them just simply being truthful and honest. They wanted to lie and deceive and manipulate a situation. Okay. I'm seeing a King of Cups out here. Masculine or feminine could be significant. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I am seeing someone experiencing some sort of hardship, some sort of financial hardship. Mm. Something coming to an end. Yeah, they're going through like a dark night or some sort of, it's like a spiritual transformation. I feel like it may be like a dark night of the soul. And I'm seeing the Page of Cups. Hmm. I'm seeing like an image. I don't know. There's with this Page of Cups, it feels like a young, youthful, immature, emotionally immature, wanting to hold on and possess and have control or keep control. I'm seeing an earth sign out here. Taurus energy could definitely be significant. What's going on? The bone? Yeah. And I see them getting news that the Empress is having the advantage, obtaining some sort of success. You got the most high out here. Ooh, I'm seeing an energy of somebody talking negatively about you, and it had nothing to do with you. Again, it's nothing more but the lies from this person in this Knight of Wands. Because you, because you better off without them. You're in this energy of control, having control. Mm, I'm seeing exciting times here. You guys are moving forward. Yeah, and it was their decision. Yeah, you're moving towards a Ten of Cups, which you originally thought this was. You're moving towards your divine mate with this lover card. The star. Yeah. Yep. In the end, this person going to experience sadness and loss. And it's not in that moment. It's after you've already gone and they see someone else have you. Mhm. Then they're gonna look back and remember how you used to treat them and the connection you guys had with one another if they aren't doing this already. Okay. Mm. Somebody also have a new job here. I'm seeing building a business or some sort of new job, some sort of new beginning. I'm seeing an energy of happiness. You're physically starting something new. Okay. It's like I want to say somebody creative spark came back. I feel like somebody possibly, again, this might have been someone that was like blocking you, causing blockages. Yeah. And I'm seeing energy of wishes coming true, wish fulfillment. I see you let go, withdrawn, that you're in withdrawal, emotions and connections you had to this person, and now they in regret. Yep. This is like the energy of them coming back later and trying to extend some sort of offer to you, and you like, I don't want it. Yeah, karma steps in. Reality check. Reality check. Yeah. That you were the prize. You see how the wheel turned in your favor. Reality check that you were the prize, not them. They thought they could replace you. The whole time you were the one that could replace them. Now they're carrying a whole lot of burdens, feeling overwhelmed, a lot of stress. hmm Because the cycle is closed and you're stepping into an energy of leadership, is what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold.